Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a good day, and today we're going to be making an origami penguin. So first of all, we're going to start off with a nice square piece of paper. This piece of paper is around about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So first of all, we're going to fold over the piece of paper like so, and make a nice crease. So from here, we're going to make a kite shape, a bit like making a paper aeroplane. So I'm folding over the sides like so, to the middle, making sure there's a nice sharp point down here, and making a nice clean crease and pressing down firmly. I turn the paper over and do the same thing on the other side, again making sure there's a nice point right at the top, like so, down the middle, making a nice crease. Okay, so from here, I fold it over, just like doing a paper aeroplane, and then just reiterate that crease. Okay, so from here we're going to do the tail part, or the stand, to make sure that your penguin can actually stand up. So I'm taking the lower end here, folding it over, and making sure that it follows the outside line of the top part, pressing down nice and firmly. So from here, I open it up, and then push that into the inside, and so we have the following shape. So now I'm going to make the beak. I bring the top part over like so and press down firmly. So now our shape looks like this. I'm going to fold in the beak on the inside, so I open up, just use this finger here, push in to make the beak part of the penguin. So let's try to make it nice and neat here. Okay, so we're nearly there with our penguin. Great stuff. Are we doing well? Awesome. So from here, I fold over the beak the opposite direction, and then I fold it back. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to tuck this section into the top part. So from here I just open up the top, push it in, and then the final part of the beak. So hopefully your penguin is so far looking like this, right? Good stuff. So from here, I turn it over. I'm going to do the wing part. I'm just going to fold over that part of the wing back on itself, like so. Now you can either leave it like this, or what you could do is just fold it over and do the same thing on the other side. Again, matching up exactly the same fold as the opposite side. So there we have it. Our penguin is nearly complete. So to finish it off, I always try and like to put like a nice eye on the top. So I take some glue, from which you can get from most hobbycraft places, or stationery. Stick on the eye. There we go. Our penguin is complete. So there you go. That's an origami penguin. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content, and hopefully you can join us another time. Have an awesome day.